the first Filipino who fought, recorded history, who fought against foreign invaders, the Spaniards, the great Subuanon, the great Cebuano, the real warrior who vanquished foreign conquistadors. So I'm happy that I visited this place because I'm from this place. My mother is a native of Lapu-Lapu. She's a descendant of the great Lapu-Lapu. Galing, no? So this is the Mactan Shrine. In my opinion, Lapu-Lapu should be elevated to one of the greatest heroes of the Philippines. His life should be enshrined in our history. Now, let us see ano nakalagay dito sa ilalim ng kanya. In Filipino, imagine in Filipino to, isa sa mga pinuno, one of the leaders of Mactan, nanindigang nagsasarili at malaya ang kanyang bayan mula sa kapangyarihan ng hari ng Espanya. No? He refused to be under the Spanish occupation. So this happened on May 1. May 1, 1521. Matagal na pala to. Ruins na ito, yung old na structure. Glorias Españolas. Now let us see here ano nakalagay dito. I love Lapu-Lapu. I'm 50%, no? 50% ako na ano to, true-blooded, genuine descendant of this great warrior. Ito, nandito yung kan natin, no? Si Fernando Magallanes. He's a Portuguese pala, no? Alam natin yan. He volunteered na lead ng expedition. So his expedition was the first to circumnavigate the world in 1522. 500 years ago. Dito lang pala siya dinali ng isang magiting na Pilipino. This is ganda ng Mactan na shrine. So we'll take picture of this statue. Natin here. Yan, last na shot. So we're in the last before we have the giant flag of the Philippines here. Course naging Pilipino, but si Lapu-Lapu daw, there's I read an article na lineage niya sa Tausug root. Galing, no? Rota pala, naging rota to. Dito sila naglaban, no? Yung sa beach na yan, wala, dali yung mga Espanyol sa mga matatapang na mga Pilipino. Okay.